What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another DePIN project. Now, have you ever struggled with expensive international roaming, slow cafe Wi-Fi, or you're just someone who wishes that you can earn from sharing your internet access? Well, if you're any of those, today's video is just for you. Today, we're going to be diving into the Roam DePIN project and one of the project's newest miners, specifically this Rainier Max60, which is a sleek enterprise-grade router that's helping to build a decentralized global Wi-Fi network. But unlike other DePIN projects where the project is trying to establish a network, this infrastructure and the demand already exists. Now, this is a DePIN project that I've been following for a few months now, and like most others, it's still in its early stages. And then, like most projects that we're all trying to get ahead of, I like to get in early to try to maximize my earnings. So, of course, I do want to thank HeliumDeploy for sending out this unit for me to test out and review. Now, in about a day of this video's posting, HeliumDeploy is about to drop a limited supply of 200 units of this miner, which, as usual, means you too can get in early to maximize your earning potential on a project that I think has a lot of promise. And I assume, like most DePIN hardware, their stock will sell out quickly. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. Okay, so let's start this video with a simple question. What exactly is Roam? Well, Roam is a Web3 powered global Wi-Fi network that's built to fix a broken internet experience, especially for travelers. Instead of fumbling for Wi-Fi passwords or juggling different SIM cards and cell services, Roam users connect instantly through a polished app using secure open roaming protocols. No passwords, no friction, just seamless internet across airports, cafes, and co-working spaces across 140 plus countries. But here's the twist. Unlike other DePIN networks that start with miners hoping for users to come later, Roam started with users first. In fact, Roam has over 2.9 million registered users, 5.6 million hotspots, and 440 plus million check-ins. That's real traction and real usage. And now they're expanding their coverage with the help of you and me to help fill in the rest of the map and all the blank spots with these at-home miners and hotspots, and then rewarding you with tokens for your support. Okay, so now that we've explained Roam's purpose, let's move on to the hardware itself. Meet the Rainier Max60. This is Roam's official pre-approved hotspot miner. It's compact, it's sleek, and it's incredibly easy to set up. This isn't just another router, it's actually your gateway to earning in a proven DePIN network. With this router, you have several ways of earning. You've got uptime rewards, which you get 210 Roam points per day just for being online. You've also got connection rewards, which pays you for every new user who connects by adding 10 more points to your balance. And then you've also got monthly airdrops, which pays you for staying active and gives you 80 Roam tokens per month automatically. And then there's also staking rewards, where you can stake your tokens at a current 16.6% APY. And all of this is tracked inside the app, which is rated 4.7 stars on both Google Play and iOS. It's a top-rated consumer product and another high potential project that I think has a lot of potential. So let's talk a little bit more about the tech behind the magic. Roam uses enterprise-grade open roaming protocols to provide seamless handoffs, which means once you're logged in, you can jump between Roam hotspots without needing to re-authenticate. It also ensures secure connections with decentralized identifiers, or DIDs, and verifiable credentials, or VCs, which means that your identity and your data are completely protected. In addition to that, it's also got enterprise-level encryption. Think of it as public Wi-Fi with private Wi-Fi security. And then best of all, this isn't a beta test. This is real-world tech and usage that's already in action. In fact, Roam isn't just for digital nomads or travelers. Large organizations like Bybit and MEXC which are both global cryptocurrency exchanges, are already using it to stay connected across borders. Instead of dealing with complicated roaming setups or managing SIM cards in 5 different countries, those 2 companies just say download Roam, and that's it. And then for casual users, even those without a miner, you can earn points by just checking in, completing quests, and even referring friends. That's pretty much value for everyone and not just crypto enthusiasts. And for the most part, using the service is completely free. So why is this different from other DePIN projects, especially those that are focused on decentralizing internet and Wi-Fi connectivity? Well, let's be honest. DePIN use for the industry is a brilliant idea, but most projects, of course, make you wait. You basically deploy the hardware and you hope you get some kind of usage, and then you sit and wait. Roam flipped that on its head. In this case, the users came first, and now they're playing catch up by expanding the infrastructure. So if you've ever said, I'll get into DePIN when there's something real, this is definitely it. Real users, real usage, real earnings, right now. Now, another exciting feature, because they're partnered with HeliumDeploy, HeliumDeploy's DePIN Tracker, which is found at moken.io, is another tool that you can use to manage and monitor your Roam device. Now, if you're like me, tracking all your DePIN miners using different apps can be time-consuming and, of course, a challenge, which is why it is nice that you can also add this miner to HeliumDeploy's DePIN Tracker, which is an incredibly helpful tool to help you make smarter decisions and also track all of your DePIN miners in one place. With HeliumDeploy's DePIN Tracker, you can manage and monitor all your miners across different projects. You can track and see your earnings, you can track your miner status, and you can even use the tools to troubleshoot and fix any issues that may come up. HeliumDeploy's DePIN Tracker is definitely a lot easier than managing your miners across several different apps. Now, if you're deploying your devices, whether it's Roam, Helium, GeoNet, or others, this tool helps you track real-time earnings, compare ROI across devices, identify deployment hotspots, monitor token trends, and a ton more. It's like a mission control center for DePIN miners. Whether you're just getting started or you're scaling to 10 plus devices, this tracker definitely helps you make smarter, data-driven decisions. Now, if you decide you want to download and use the Roam app, you can use that app to check out your point balance, find quests for bonus rewards, check out the referral system, which if you want an additional 30 bonus points, you can use my referral, which is 779-12323. You can also check out the Wi-Fi map with hotspot locations, get access to your miner stats, as well as the eSIM marketplace, which you can use earn points to redeem global mobile data plans or get it free by completing tasks. This app is a fully integrated ecosystem and not just a bunch of dashboards buried in a bunch of beta menus. It's clean, it's intuitive, and most importantly, it works. Now, one thing, I did have some trouble installing the open roaming profile when setting everything up, but after multiple tries, I finally got it set up. But what's nice is that you don't need to install the profile to connect and use the hotspot. Now, after testing this Rainier Max60 out for the past few weeks, I can honestly say that this is one of the most practical and user-centric DePIN devices that I've ever used. Now, keep in mind, if you are purchasing and setting one of these up, you will need to connect it to your existing internet modem, and you will be offering up your bandwidth as part of the setup to help support the network. And then yes, as mentioned before, it's still early, so the higher earning potential is there, and as it goes on, it may fluctuate. But as a reminder also, crypto always does carry a risk. But the reward potential, the usability, and the already existing user base give Roam a real edge and a lot of potential. Now, if you're someone who is thinking of getting into more DePIN projects, or if you are someone who is just starting out, this might be the lowest friction, highest impact entry point DePIN project right now. But as usual, only time will tell. Now, if you want to get involved in Roam, but you don't want to purchase the equipment, you can, of course, download the Roam app, which is completely free. And you can use my referral code, which is 779-12323 for 30 bonus points. And then you can continue to earn from there. But if you want to maximize your earning potential, I would highly recommend picking up one of these Rainier Max60 miners from HeliumDeploy. It's one of the more affordable hotspot miners with, of course, a limited supply. So I would definitely act fast when it drops on August 8th. And then you can use my purchase link and my discount code, which I'll leave in the description section below. In addition to that, you can also make your life easier by tracking everything using HeliumDeploy's DePIN Tracker at moken.io, which I'll also link in the description section below. Anyways, that's my quick introduction of Roam and this Rainier Max60 hotspot miner. Now, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more DePIN reviews. Now, if you want to share your experience or ask me any questions, also feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Now, I just set up my hotspot a few weeks ago, so if you're interested on ongoing updates and progress, feel free to follow this channel as well as my all-new dedicated crypto channel for ongoing updates and progress as the Roam network grows and more features are rolled out. Links will also be in the description section below. And then don't forget, we're still early, which means the best rewards are just ahead. Anyways, until next time, stay connected, stay decentralized, and I'll see you in the next video.